like.
No, you got it. Guys, I think I peed a little.
Ew. That's so gross. That's so gross.
Okay, bro.
I'm sorry. Put on this thing.
Me next. Golden racket, Mario Tennis, baby.
And she always be talking about how you can't.
I know damn well your ass ain't in here cooking on my goddamn iron.
And you go to the doctor with me today?
Yeah!
Okay, then. The doctor said I need to eat more iron.
Nadie se resiste a la leche.